To set always on display of theater mode to show for new notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater. Next, tap change setting and then tap always on display. Under display mode section, select show for new notification. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active, your phone will enable always on display and use show for notification as a display mode, which means always on display will only show when you have new notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.